In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a project in Adobe Express. So once you're inside of the Adobe Express dashboard, you then need to go to a project. So you can either create a new project with the plus icon, or if you scroll down, you'll see your recent files. I'm going to enter into a project that I've already got. And this is a project where I generated an AI image. So here is the project. Now, this will be the same no matter what project you're trying to save. Then go to download in the top right-hand corner. And then what you can do is you can download this project and you can download it in whatever file format is available for your project. So for me, I'm going to download it as a PNG, but you can choose from these here. Then click download. Then it will download your project and you might have to choose a location. So I'll change the file name to pic and we'll just go ahead and save that. And as you can see, we have now saved our project. The project will automatically save in Adobe Express, but we've downloaded it to our computer as well.